Richard from the Brewing. We're just back again, just bringing you up to date with the new Spiritworks Flavourings. We've had the initial launch where we did the first 9. We've now got the next 9 coming out, and we've brought some out which are really quite different, and I'm hoping will really appeal to the palate. So this range, we've got a new gin, which is called the Bomb Gin. This is very similar to a spiced gin, something like a Bombay Sapphire, something on that order. So it's quite spicy, and it's really quite different, and I think you'll enjoy it. They're all priced at the same. We're looking at around the $4.50 for a small bottle, which does 4 times 75 cls. So you're about £1.10p a bottle, your actual flavouring. And all of them have an option of the big 500ml bottle as well. So the 500ml bottle will do 20 bottles. You're looking at £16 on that, and cost per bottle is down to about 80p. So for those who are wanting to produce on a slightly bigger scale, the bigger bottle really does do it for them. So we've got a straight plain vodka, which is very similar, let's say an Absolute vodka or one of the top quality vodkas that we have. So that's a straight vodka with no aftertaste to it in terms of a flavour of some sort. But the ones with the flavouring, we've got a lemon vodka, a citrus lemon vodka, which again is rather good. We've also got a chocolate vodka. Now the chocolate vodka, we had a lot of soul searching to do on this one as to what colour to make it. But when we looked at our commercial equivalents, quite a few of them are brown and sort of like a chocolatey colour, but quite a few of them are like a white colour. And we decided to go for the white colour because the best ones on the market were all white. So I think we're incomparable with those on the chocolate vodka. So we have a toffee vodka. Now this is like a lovely toffee colour. It looks quite dark in the bottle, but it's not. But my first impressions of toffee vodka was when we used to go skiing in the winter, and you'd ski down the slope and then get yourself a glass of the toffee vodka. Really was like just walked you straight through. So toffee vodka, one of my favourite. Very glad that we've been able to do that one. And the last one in the range is a raspberry vodka. So we've got the raspberry vodka here, and that again, quite a subtle raspberry. It's not very strong in flavour, but it is quite subtle, and I think you'll love it. So those are the ones in the vodka that we're doing. And then to complement the range, we've got a spiced rum, which we've called Parrots. Very similar, obviously, to several of the commercial spiced rums which are available. We also have a new whiskey flavour. Now we based this one on probably one of my favourite blended whiskies, which is a Grant's, and I think we've done a really good job on that, so we're really happy with the quality of the whiskey. And the final one is the Aperol, which is this, I don't know whether you've seen it, but when people seem to be outside having a drink at a pub or a club or a bar or on holiday or wherever, they have this glass which is like orange in colour, loads of ice in it, normally quite a big drink. And it's fascinated me. Anyway, I did a bit of research on it, and we've come up with one which is very similar to it, and I think it really complements our range that we've got here. So use it. It is classed as a herbal aperitif, and use it in a way that allows you to add to it either lemonade, tonic, or soda. So if you're wanting something really quite dry, go for the soda. Something in between, go for the tonic, and something on the sweeter side, go for the lemonade. So that's the new range we've got. We hope you're going to enjoy it and give it a good shot.